Present. Gift. He bought a present for his mom. The gift is wrapped in red paper. Rich. Wealthy. His family is very rich. The wealthy man gave money to the poor. Dangerous. Unsafe. Driving fast is dangerous. Walking alone at night can be unsafe. Afraid. Scared. She is afraid of the dark. He is scared of spiders. Sick. Ill. She feels sick today. He has been ill for 2 days. Delicious. Tasty. She made a delicious burger. The soup is very tasty. Cold. Chilly. He wears a jacket because it is cold. It feels chilly outside today. Assist. Help. The nurse assists the doctor. I want to help you clean the room. Angry. Mad. He is angry with his brother. He got mad when his toy broke. Difficult. Hard. The exam was very difficult. Running for a long time is hard. blend. Mix. She blends fruit for smoothie. Mix the eggs with milk in a bowl. Journey. Trip. A journey by train is very relaxing. The family planned a trip to the beach.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!